Microsoft has been telling customers that Windows 11 requires PC to have a special security chip called TPM 2.0, but you can actually skirt the restriction. The company itself posted official guidance on the website detailing how to circumvent the TPM 2.0 requirement. The process involves taking your Windows 10 machine and changing the registry key values in the operating system to ignore the check for TPM 2.0. But the bypass applies only to PCs that have at least TPM 1.2, which has to be enabled. This can usually be done by going onto the machine's BIOS settings on startup. And there is a warning. Microsoft recommends against installing Windows 11 on a device that does not meet the Windows 11 minimum system requirements. If you choose to install Windows 11 on a device that doesn't meet these requirements and you acknowledge and understand the risk, you can create the following registry key values and bypass the check for TPM 2.0. So at least TPM 1.2 is required and the CPU family and the model is required. Registry key. This is the registry key, H key, local machine or system or setup, MO setup. So you have to check for the name, allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU, and the D word is value 1. And also you have to note that serious problems might occur if you modify the registry incorrectly by using registry editor or any other method. So these problems might require that you reinstall the operating system. So you have to save the registry, modify the registry at your own risk. In case if you have any problems, you can restore the registry as well. So to add the registry value, click on the start button, search for reg editor. You have to launch this app. Then you have to navigate this to this registry key, add the new reg D word, entry with the name, allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU and set the value to 1. If you do change the registry values, be careful to type the values very correctly because you have the risk of corrupting the OS. So once the registry values are changed, you can begin manually installing the operating system using Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, which can create the installation file on the USB drive. Now you can proceed with the clean installation of Windows 11 or perform an upgrade of the OS, which will keep you the old files on the PC. If you want Windows 11 on an unsupported CPU, then you should use Windows 11 disk image installation process. So be aware that this bypass comes with caveats. So Microsoft's instruction link to the page warns that installing Windows 11 on an unsupported PC could lead to malfunctions arising from compatibility problems. So it also states that devices that do not meet these requirements will no longer be guaranteed to receive updates, including but not limited to security updates. If you are denied Windows updates, then you will have to download and install the patches manually. So with this procedure, you can install Windows 11 even though your Windows minimum system requirements are not met. Hope you like the video. For more technical videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel, Hema Tech Talks.